So recently, one of my bathrooms got pretty dirty, and I was looking at it and realized that I let things go for way too long. And I was shopping at Walmart. I will shop there for some things that I need every now and then. For instance, eggs and milk are cheaper at Walmart than just any other place around. And they've got a great clearance section. I bought non-food things before, like plastic baggies, aluminum foil, stuff like that. And I thought, you know what, I'm going to give their cleaning supplies a go. And so here's something I bought. It's the Great Value Lemon Scented Foaming Bathroom Cleaner. Comes in a 22-ounce spray can. And I paid $3.47 for this. I've used it now on every bathroom, bathtub, sink in my house, and I have to tell you, I love it. In fact, I've got some before and after footage of a sink that I let get really bad, and you'll see the improvement after using this. Just one application, I might add. Same thing with my master shower. That shower floor got not good. It was not pleasant to look at. And then after using this, now it looks like an entirely different shower. So let's cut away so you can see the before and after of one of my sinks. All right, we're back, and yes, I know that was actually pretty bad, but I'm going to keep things a lot cleaner now, especially once I have these just amazing, very affordable cleaning products. So here's another thing from Walmart. This is their Max Strength Drain Cleaner. I forget how much this cost, but it was one of the cheaper options, and since it was Walmart and the Great Value brand, I'm like, yeah, I'll give it a try, because I had a few sinks, faucets that were, draining slowly. And especially in my shower, what would happen is I would turn on the shower and then the water would run through the shower head, and it always comes out cold. And I'd be standing in the shower and my feet would be cold because the water would back up. That's how slowly it was draining. And then I would get out of the shower when I was done and there'd be several inches of water remaining in the tub. But now that I've used this, I get out of the shower and all the water's gone. So I don't have to worry about mold buildup or anything like that with all that water sticking around. It's just right down the drain. And I've used this on every drain in my house. It's done a wonderful job. Love it. And I don't think maybe I've used half a bottle. Maybe. But there's still plenty left. It's going to last me a very long time. And then when it comes to the toilet, this is not sold by Walmart, but you can find it there. It's like $1.24. This is the Works. And it's done a great job keeping my toilet looking, passable. Looks decent, really. And then finally, here is another thing for your toilet. This is a bleaching tablet, and I've put one in each of my toilets. That first month, I really noticed a difference, and then I stopped paying attention. But I was actually very impressed. And it did last for a while. Did it last for 3 months? I don't remember. I didn't mark the date in my calendar, but I'm happy enough where I wanted to buy more. In fact, they have a 2-pack and they also have a 4-pack, and you can't even get a 4-pack. When I was in the store, they were completely sold out. So these are very popular with people. If you're looking to save some money and sort of have a nice clean house, definitely check out the chemicals at Walmart. They are very, very affordable. All right, that's just my quick 2 cents on the Walmart cleaning supplies that are out there. I want to thank you for joining me, and I will see you next time.